The definition of polynomials. Mono means a single in Greek. Thus, monomials are expressions that contain a single term where the coefficient and variables are multiplied by each other. On the other hand, polynomials are algebraic expressions that contain two or more monomials that are added to or subtracted from each other. Poly means many in Greek. Hence, the term polynomial is translated as many monomials put together. For example, we have the following as shown on screen. Is a polynomial, as it is made by three different monomials, 3x squared, for x and minus y, or minus 1y, that are connected to each other through the addition and subtraction symbols. On the other hand, we have the following as shown on screen. Is not a polynomial, it is an algebraic fraction, as explained in Chapter 6, because the two terms are connected with each other through the division operation. Likewise, for the expression, we have the following as shown on screen. Is not a polynomial because not all its component terms are monomials, the second term contains a root, which is a rational power. In this way, we reach a very important conclusion about the polynomials. Polynomials are special algebraic expressions where all exponents of the variables are in whole powers, natural plus 0. In other words, polynomials belong to the algebraic expression set, but they do not represent the entire set of the algebraic expressions. We express the general form of a polynomial as p, x, y, z, where z, y, z, etc. are its variables. For example, it is clear we have the following as shown on screen. Is a polynomial with three terms and two variables. Monomials, therefore, represent a special case of polynomials. We can call them polynomials with one term. Remark: if we have a number not followed by a variable in a polynomial, it still represents a term, but the number itself is not called a coefficient anymore but a constant instead. Example: identify the number of terms, coefficients, constants and variables of the following polynomial, a minus 2x to the power of 5 plus 3y plus 4. b 4a cubed, b minus 3a plus b 2. Solution: a. This polynomial has three terms, minus 2x to the power of 5, 3y and 4. It also has two variables x and y. The coefficients are minus 2 and 3, while the constant is 4. b. This polynomial has three terms, 4, a cubed b, minus 3a, and b2. It also has two variables, a and b. The coefficients are 4 and minus 3, while the constant is 0. That is all for lesson 11.1.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 11.1.3, the degree of polynomials. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.